Hello guys, I'm here. I will teach you how to make a firework using my Okay, you need first you need this and a color you need. The important is the gunpowder and paper only. The important thing. First, this is all you need. You go here. If you need, just grab it. Okay, guys. I'm show you how to grab it. Use some problem. Okay, first, go here. And what this is birds, but this is star shape, but I want birds. It also need birds. Oh, stop. Okay, guys, now it's finished. Or it's finished. The color you want, but this is showcase only. I'm gonna show you. Now put the gunpowder here. You don't need guys. No problem. A minute guys, no problem, no problem. Okay guys, you know. Okay guys, a minute. My mouse is problem. Okay, mouse is problem. So guys, for waiting. You guys for waiting. You guys for waiting. Ah, sorry. Okay, now guys. Now, guys, hurry up. Just not one, but I want this one. Now you have power. Now you have power. See. Oh my god, this one, it's not power. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and like my video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye. See you later.